What's up, guys? Warren Divine AV back with another video here at CEDIA 2025. We're at one of your favorite booths, Samsung. Got our buddy Tim here. Good to see you again, man.
Yeah,
I
always a
appreciate
pleasure.
it. You guys saw him in the video last year. He was freaking awesome. So he's going to take us through some of the latest and greatest from Samsung.
Look, if we're talking latest and greatest, there's one product that you all need to know about, and that's this Micro RGB right behind us here. This is a game changer for the TV industry because this is the first display of its kind that can hit 100% of the UHD color space.
Wow.
That's 75% of what the human eye can perceive as color. So truly, if you're looking for a display that you're never going to want to replace, one, because it's a 115-inch screen, but two, because it's as colorful as you can get, this is the product for you. It has our glare-free finish on it, no one connect box, so easy to access the ports on the back of the TV, and a very thin body as well. So for being as large as it is, it looks very, very good, whether it's on or off.
Rock on, man. Yeah, show him this screen a little bit.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Guys, look at that.
So the way this TV works is we have an LED behind the screen. However, it's not a traditional blue or white LED. It actually uses individual red, green, and blue modules to produce the color. So what that gives us is 27-bit processing of your red, 27-bit processing of your green, and 27-bit processing of your blue. That's 134 million shades of red, 134 million shades of green, and 134 million shades of blue that we can combine together to create this beautiful image that you're looking at here.
Guys, and this is under like crazy lights. The black is so deep, you know. Oh man, the colors pop, super vibrant.
Seeing a TV look this good in a trade show setting,
It's crazy.
it's hard to do, but we pulled it off and we're super excited. This should be ready to ship in around November. It's going to be priced at $30,000.
Fantastic. I'll give you my address.
I'll send one right over to you. Yeah, no problem. Now, I'd love to show you something else if you got some more time.
Let's do it.
Let's turn right around and we're going to look at the Frame Pro here. This has been a really hot one, especially at CEDIA show, because we know custom integrators and custom installers, they love the Frame TV for how seamless and how beautiful it can look.
Yes,
now, if you're not familiar with the Frame Pro is a new innovation from Samsung that really elevates one thing that customers have been asking for a long time. Better picture quality for our shows and movies. So this now uses our Neo QLED or mini LED backlighting technology to deliver 220% better contrast over the traditional frame. But another awesome claim to fame for the Frame Pro is its wireless One Connect box. No more cable running from the box to the TV. It operates off of Wi-Fi 7 for a very strong connection from that wireless unit straight up to your TV.
We just put one of these in like about, what, 2 weeks ago now, Zeus? Yeah, 2 weeks ago, and that wireless One Connect actually was instrumental because we didn't have wires. It was the only TV in the house, you know, that didn't have wiring to that position, and they thought they weren't going to be able to do what they wanted to with it, and we were like, oh, this is nice.
Yes, it's
you know,
great.
because I hadn't even read on it. We just ordered the best because that's what we wanted. And man,
a little surprised when it came out of the box.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Now, I'd love to fill you in on a couple more things that are unique about the wireless One Connect box. Since it's wireless, we can't unfortunately transfer power wirelessly. So that does mean the Frame Pro does have a power supply on the back that needs to be plugged in. But the benefit to that is if you're only using the frame for the internal streaming apps or its art mode, you can leave the One Connect box in the closet for a rainy day and pull it out when you need it.
We were almost a little bit confused when we pulled it up and all your smart TV functions and everything was there without the One Connect box. And we're like, man, these guys are thinking.
It hasn't happened before, so for the first time. And to make it even better, there's one micro HDMI port on the back of that Frame Pro in case you want to hardwire a gaming console for that fastest input lag and response time. Really nice feature here.
Very cool.
Now, if you got a couple more moments, there's one more beautiful display I'd love to show you. All right, let's follow me this way. We're going to head around the corner. And this is going to be our 115-inch QN90.
All right.
So we didn't just make Micro RGB in a big screen. We got to bring our mini LED to these big screens as well.
Bigger and bigger. And we thought it was going to stop at like 100 or 98, but not.
We can't stop. We can't stop. Got to keep going. So here we have it. We have two QN90Fs, our flagship 4K Neo QLED. We have it in the 98-inch, but who wants to see that when you could look at the beautiful 115-inch? Again, backed with our glare-free screen, so it doesn't matter if it's in the brightest of room or in a trade show. It's still going to look very, very good. Now, right now, this is priced right around $27,000. So again, a reasonable price point to get your hands on a 115-inch display.
For sure. Yeah, it honestly is quite reasonable. Pair that with a decent sound system. A lot of guys start out with, 50, 60K budget, and it fits nicely. So,
Yes.
I love it.
So yeah, that's the wrap of CEDIA for Samsung, focused on bringing these big screens, brand new technology, and a beautiful partnership between Samsung and Harman.
Nice.
It's the first time we actually did a dual partnership with our booths because we are one family. So why not? As a leader in CI for display and a leader in CI for audio, it's time to show our products together.
Rock and roll. Thanks a lot, Tim.
Always a pleasure working
Appreciate it.
with you,
We'll see you next year.
Lauren. See you next year.
Take care, bro.